Good morning to one and all. I am R. Latha, Assistant Professor in Commerce, ADM College for Women, Nagapatnam. Today I am here to present Customer Relationship Management. In this presentation, I would like to present about the meaning and types of CRM briefly. Let's get into the presentation. In this slide, as your CRM abbreviation is, C stands for customer, the heart of your organization. Next, R stands for relationship, the key to grow company. And M stands for management, managing the stakeholders, relationship to increase lifetime value. What is CRM? So, in this slide, we are going to see what is CRM and how CRM is helpful to business and the organization. The first point is CRM as a business strategy that aims to understand, anticipate and manage the needs of an organization's current and potential customers. Moreover, true CRM people can able to make seamless integration of business like marketing, sales, technology and in various service field. So, CRM is a very essential thing for retaining old customers and acquisition for new customers also. Definition of CRM. So, now the definition of CRM, an author who has described that CRM is concerned with the creation, development and enhancement of individualized customer relationship with a carefully targeted customer and customer groups resulting in maximizing their total customer lifetime value. Meaning of CRM. A CRM system is to build relationship with the old and new customer to get profits in the business and organization. A CRM system is helpful for small business as well as large enterprises to get profit and get customer efficiently. So, customer is the most important part of the business. Concept of CRM. So, in the concept of CRM is creating value for the customers. For example, I have chosen shoe brand. As you see the logo of shoe brand in which people choose the brand as per their perspective. Like for sports Adidas, Mizuno and Nike. For running and walking Puma. So, people who give the value for each brand. So, CRM will look and collect the data and evaluate each customer and give the value. Types of CRM. Broadly, there are three types of CRM. Operational CRM, collaborative CRM, analytical CRM. Why is a CRM important? The task of finding who your customer are, what they exactly want and providing in seems to be a task with difficulties. Understanding and management of customers expectation is rather a key to screen in order to able to create satisfied customers. Customer knowledge is required to satisfy their customer, reach the ultimate goal of company. Create customer knowledge and the utilization of the customer relationship management system. Thanks for listening. Thank you.